In this video, I'll show you how to install a Roku camera. At the end of this video, I will also show a nice picture of my dog, so you don't want to miss that. Step 1. Unbox and prepare. Open the Roku camera box and check you have all components. This includes a camera, indoor or outdoor model, USB power adapter and cable, battery and/or wired models, a mount or stand and mounting screws and tape, a base station for the outdoor model and an Ethernet cable, and a smartphone with camera access for QR scan. Ensure your Wi-Fi password and internet connection are ready. Step 2. Download Roku Smart Home app. On your smartphone, go to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. Download and install the Roku Smart Home app. Open the app and sign in with your Roku account. Create a Roku account if you don't already have one. Step 3. Base station setup. This is for outdoor only. Connect the outdoor camera base station to power using its adapter. Plug the base station into your router with the included Ethernet cable. Follow the on-screen steps in the Smart Home app to set up the base. Update firmware if prompted and assign a device name. Step 4. Power your camera. For indoor cameras, plug it in the USB power adapter and cable. For outdoor models, ensure the battery is charged or plug in USB cable. Turn the power switch to on if available. Wait for a status light, flashing or solid, refer to the manual. Step 5. Start camera setup in the app. In the Roku Smart Home app, tap the plus button to add device and then choose camera. Select the correct model that you have, indoor, outdoor or another one. Step 6. Wi-Fi connection and pairing. Press and hold the setup button on the camera, often beneath or in back, until you hear a pairing prompt or the light blinks. Choose your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network in the app. 5 GHz is not supported, unfortunately. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Step 7. Scan QR code to finish. A QR code will appear in the app. Hold your phone about 5 inches from the camera lens to scan. Move slightly if it doesn't work right away. Wait for the camera to confirm and for the app to connect and configure. Step 8. Finalize setup and mount. When prompted, give your camera a name, for example, living room or backyard. Test the live view in the Roku app. Use included hardware to mount the camera to a wall or ceiling. For outdoor models, mount base station indoors near router, camera within range. Step 9. Adjust settings and troubleshoot. Customize motion, sound alerts or cloud recording in the app. If the camera fails pairing, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi permissions are enabled. Restart the camera or app. Stay within 6 feet during setup and check firmware for updates. And that's it for this video. That's how you install your Roku camera. Now, because you made it to the end, you got a nice picture of my dog. If you found this video helpful, subscribe,